Hello, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Today I'm coming to you from Villa The Spot up here in the hills of Chaweng Noi in Koh Samui, Thailand. Been staying here with my girlfriend for about 4 nights now, and I'm helping the owner with promotion and marketing of the place while he's still in France. This is a really cool spot. It's a very unique property because it has these dome-shaped structures. The villas are all dome-shaped. It's really cool, and I'm going to show you the place throughout the tour video, which includes some aerial video footage of the place. Also, they have 2 infinity pools and a kitchen and a living room area. So it's really cool. I recommend this place if you're looking to host like a yoga retreat here or a digital nomad training class, these types of things. It's great for families with kids, couples, and friends to just come and hang out here. Some of the most beautiful views of the island, and the sunrise is incredible. We woke up early today in the morning for the sunrise. Absolutely beautiful right over the infinity pool. So please subscribe to this channel for upcoming video updates from Thailand. Hit that bell notification to instantly get notified. And with that being said, let's start the tour video. Thanks for watching.